In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the latest version of our FirstClass Client 11.017. This version fixes bugs from the previous version, and it also specifically fixed the problem that the teachers are having here with your web page. Sometimes it freezes FirstClass, and sometimes you're having problems copying and pasting. So this version fixes that issue that you're having. So I'll show you how to download the client. So you would go to your browser, whichever, whether it be Internet Explorer or Firefox, doesn't really matter. So I'll launch my browser. In my case, I'm using Internet Explorer, and I'll type in FirstClass Client download. Load. And the reason why I'm doing a search on it is because in the event you don't have FirstClass Client at home and you're installing it on your home PC, you might not have the email that we had sent out to you. So I'm going to go to FirstClass here and choose Client Download. In the Resources section, download FirstClass Client. Okay, so we're installing 11.017. So we'll choose to download it here. And it's going to take a little while. Depending on your internet connection, the time for the download will vary. So we're going. Okay. So you will be prompted with this box here. So you would choose Run, and the reason why I'm choosing Run is because what it does, it downloads the exe, and after the installation is completed, it deletes it. So you won't have an unnecessary file on your hard drive. So I'll choose Run. It's going to download. In our case, it's going to take about 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So I'll pause this in the meantime because I don't want this video to go on forever. So I'll pause this recording and I'll come back and resume it right after, just before it finishes downloading. Hi, yeah, so the download is almost completed, and now we'll just run the install. So as it goes through here, you would just accept all the defaults. In some cases, as you can see here, it puts in the FirstClass program files here. But if it's a first time install, it will tell you that there's no folder by the name of FirstClass. If you want it to be created, then you would just click yes. Next. And it's going through the install. In my case here, it's just doing an upgrade. Okay, click on Finish, and it would launch the new FirstClass Client. So it would pick up your settings here at the school if you're upgrading your computer here. If you're at home and it's a first time install, you would need to configure it with the address of the mail server. So you would see something like this, and this server field here would be blank. So to configure the mail address, you would click on the advanced key here, click on setup, and in the server field just type in mail.tfs.ca, and you would put in your username. I don't suggest you put in a password, in the event your machine gets stolen, and how people would have access to your emails. Okay, and you would then click on save, and that's it. It's installed, the FirstClass client, and you are ready to start collaborating.